I wanna do something.
What you wanna do?
Dance. I wanna do something special with you. I've been having a boring life lately, so now I wanna be a boy with ADD. I wanna meet a girl.
Which girl?
She's shy, she's sensitive, so now I'm taking her down to the dance floor. I'm holding her hand, and my plan is to touch her. I'm touching you, I'm touching me, I'm touching you, I'm touching me, I'm touching me. You're touching me, I'm touching you, you're touching me, I'm touching you. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, so we are standing and dancing and laughing, but suddenly she turns around and dances with another guy. I'm thinking, okay, it's that game you wanna play. I found myself another girl. I'm watching her, she's watching me. I'm thinking this is not the way it's supposed to be. That's why I'm making the move, and I'm moving the groove, and I ask her to touch me. I'm touching you, you're touching me, I'm touching you, you're touching me, I'm touching you, you're touching me. You're touching me, I'm touching you, you're touching me, I'm touching you. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, 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 lights come on, security says get out of here. I'm standing out in the rain and you are nowhere. This guy comes over to me, says, do you wanna be with me and my friends on this crazy after party? As I cross the floor, they are playing the Cure. He's standing by the door, I'm walking over. So I give you a wink, it might break, it might blink. You're jumping, and then it's damage on the dance floor. I'm touching you, you're touching me, I'm touching you, you're touching me, I'm touching you, you're touching me. You're touching me, I'm touching you, you're touching me, I'm touching you. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hola señora, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Cristina, déjeme hablar un momento con usted. Mira, es que vengo de parte de la Iglesia del Espíritu Santo.
No me
escucha un
interesa.
momento. No, es que vengo a ofrecerle la imagen
No.
de Nuestra Señora Madre Teresa de Calcuta.
No.
Cógela, por favor.
No me
sí,
interesa.
señora,
No,
pero un
no.
momento.